Hi, I'm Marian from SCO Hostings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install PHP and Composer on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. We'll install PHP CLI, the most common PHP extensions. Download Composer from the official installer, verify the SHA-384 hash, install Composer globally, and then run Composer Diagnose to make sure everything is configured correctly. First, update the Ubuntu package index and upgrade existing packages. This makes sure your system has the latest security patches and package metadata before installing PHP and Composer. Now install PHP and the extensions commonly needed by Composer and modern PHP projects. We install PHP-CLI, so PHP works from the terminal, PHP-MBstring, PHP-XML, PHP-CURL, and PHP-zip for package compatibility, plus unzip, curl, and CA-certificates. After installation, check the PHP version. On Ubuntu 24.04, the default PHP version is PHP 8.3. You can also confirm that the important PHP extensions are loaded. You should see modules like MBstring, XML, curl, and zip. Next, download the official Composer installer into the /tmp directory. Do not run the installer yet. First, we need to verify that the file has not been modified. Composer publishes an official SHA-384 hash for the installer. This command downloads the expected hash and compares it against the installer file. If you see OK, it is safe to continue. If the check fails, delete the installer and download it again. Never run a Composer installer that fails hash verification. Now install Composer globally. The -- install dir equals /usr/local/bin option makes Composer available system-wide, and -- file name equals Composer lets us run it simply by typing Composer. After Composer is installed, remove the installer file from /tmp. This keeps the server clean and avoids leaving unnecessary executable PHP files behind. Now check that Composer is installed correctly. You should see the installed Composer version printed in the terminal. Finally, run Composer Diagnose. This checks your PHP configuration, network connectivity, Composer settings, Git setup, archive support, and security configuration. If you see a warning about missing pubkeys, run this command. Composer will ask for the official public keys used to verify Composer updates. Copy the keys only from Composer's official public keys page. To test Composer, create a small test directory and require a package. Composer should create a composer.json file, download the package, and generate the vendor directory. That's it. You now have PHP and Composer installed on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with the common PHP extensions, installer hash verification, global Composer access, and diagnostic checks completed. If this helped, you can now use Composer to install Laravel, Symfony, CodeIgniter packages, or any PHP package from Packagist.